Hi, creative people. Good evening. Well, I hope you all are good. Well, I'm here with another video. On today's video, I'm going to talk about the mood board. Okay, so as a UX UI designer or a graphic designer or a creative artist, okay, you need to create a mood board for your inspiration. Okay, so basically in this video or in this channel that I'm talking about the UX UI design. Okay, so then let's talk about the UI design. Okay, so on today's video I'm going to focusing on creating a website, and for that how we can collect a mood board for any kind of websites. Okay, so let's know what is mood board, how we can prepare, and how it will help us to understand, or how it will help us to make a concrete idea what we are going to design. Well, let's jump into in the Figma and let's see how we can create. Okay, so let's learn some basic definition. Okay, let's start from what is a mood board. Simply, a mood board is a collage. I'm so sorry. Okay, a mood board is a collage of images, colors, fonts, textures, and other visual elements that capture the overall look and feel you want to achieve in your UI design. It's like a visual blueprint that helps you stay on a track and makes sure your design is cohesive and consistent. So in a simple way, just it's your collective idea. Whatever you want to do and whatever you want to create, then you will collect all the lots of images, text, font. Okay, so depending on your project. So why do we need to create? What is the benefit? Okay, what it helps? So let's learn more about it. Well, first it will help you to clarify your vision. So whenever we are brainstorming, or whenever we are thinking, then we will get lots of idea. But when we start working on like any tools, or when we started to like note down, then it gets blurred, and we will confused whether where to start and where to end. So that to make a kind of clear vision, okay, this is the things that what I want, and these are the content, these are the text, these are the font, these are the color, these are the types, or these are the pattern that I want to follow. So it gives a very, very clear idea. That's why we need to create a mood board. Next is get inspired. Well, whenever we are creating something, we need to inspire by something. Okay, we need to see what is the trend. Okay, and how peoples are looking, and how like other competitors are doing well. Okay, if some competitors are not doing well, then it's not that much worry. But if the competitors are doing very well, then how they are doing well, we need to learn from the competitor also, to get inspired and to make things better than any other in the market. Okay, so next is communicate with the stakeholders. Stakeholders are generally the project owners, okay, who own the project and who wanted to create, or who gave you the project. In a simple way, it's client. Okay, and other like your colleagues, let's say project manager or a designer, other designer, okay, or other let's say developer. So that whenever you are sitting on a table and whenever you are brainstorming, okay, so this is how I ended up. Okay, this is what I collect. Okay, now I think this kind of idea, this kind of visual elements might be good for that particular project. So that let's focus on these ideas, so that it will help you to discuss with them, okay, with the visual elements. So next is make decisions quickly. See, design is like there is a one culture. Okay, if you are working in a digital design agency, then there will be a good person, and they have already they have a kind of idea regarding the design. But maybe if you are working on in-house designer, then every person has their own personal perspectives toward the design elements. Okay, they don't care about the company's mission vision. They just throw out their own personal intention, what they like, what they doesn't like. Okay, this is how, like, it's a little bit challenging. So in a digital agency, it's quite easy to communicate, and cause they already know how the things work, okay, and what actually the designer are trying to do. So everyone aware of that, and it will be easy. But as a in-house designer, it will like very difficult. And at the same times, if you are a beginner and you are learning something, and you will get confused. I don't know, everything looks good, which is aligning with the brand, which is aligning with the product, you will get confused. So to make decision quickly and to get the idea, so you need a mood board. Okay, this is the overall what do you call some theoretical knowledge regarding the mood board. Now let's see how mood board actually look like. Okay, here in Figma, as you can see, I was working with one client. Okay, it's a B2B marketplace for lightning industry, and it's kind of combo websites. Okay, let's say web applications. So one website, a same website has what do you call marketplace also, shop and business, other client, they can see the product, and they can get the ideas and get the details, and then they can send the quotation. Okay, these are the things that I want, and they can if they want to customize the product, then they can input their request. Okay, these are the things that I want to customize. So this is how it works. And at the same time, so this website should be like a corporate a company's information. So what are the project they have done, and what are the services they are providing. So it should be a clear and combo website. So that's why if you see that I have created a very huge list of what you called mood board. Here what I try to organize. Okay, this is the home page, and basically this all the sections are hero section. If you see, they are hero sections. See, these are some of the competitors here in UAE. So this is how they are presenting, like they are showing full page, whole project. Okay, and on the top of their navigation, on the side also another navigation, and there is a list of project that they are working with, and like a small user interaction to what to do next. So this is how they are, and here name and view products. So this is how they are working. And likewise, there is one luxury real estate. So here we can see the list of slides list, and on the top there is on the top right there is navigation. Okay, likewise they have, I liked these approach. Okay, because it's collecting a full screen and with a few basic details. Okay, so it's like focusing on a project, that's why I collected. And as for the lightning industry, the website is like about the light, that's why see they are focusing on light. So here also you can see the lights illuminating. Okay, a little bit dark scene, but still there is a light in the first heroes also you can see, and second also see on a dark theme. Okay, if there is a dark only, then we can see the lights, right? See, this is how like you need to collect. Okay, you can collect all the ideas. Okay, it's a little bit different or off theme, but you need to collect like multiple ideas, whether like you don't stick with light. If it is lights, then you need to focus on only a dark, because light means bright also, right? So this is how you can collect and see the way like this trying to place their project, multiple project with sliding options. Okay, this is how like they are here collecting. Okay, showing some other, this is also the good way. Okay, so yeah, I think this screen from the YouTube, that's why you can see the play. Okay, so I think it is from YouTube. Okay, this is how I collected, and some other about us or service sections for that. So the way they are presenting, I liked it. So it both looks kind of similar, but still it is a different. So here we can see, right? So this is how I collected. Okay, whatever you like, you can just collect and copy and paste. Okay, you don't have to worry whether it is like messy or clean, or like whether all the colors are aligning or not. No, it's just sometimes maybe you feel the font pattern is good. Okay, you can collect that, or maybe the structure, the way the text and image are placing, maybe that can be good for you, or one particular specific idea. So for example, simply this is the a kind of testimonial sections, right? it's a good way to present. And here you can see the projects. They have done like 700 plus projects, so it's good. I like it. So here list a project, okay, and if you want to like explore, then you can click here and you can explore it. So it's not that like you need to follow each entire process. Just you can take this ideas and you can implement your in your design, okay. So for the upcoming event, so this is how I try to collect. Here you can see mobile screens also, okay. And this photos and video is this particular section. So see how it is organizing. So it is giving this full screen as a whole one, and dividing on a four other sub categories. Likewise, you can see this is the testimonial section, I think this one, right? So this is how you can get the idea. And another page, entire home page, so how they are organizing their categories. So lights, decoration, okay, outdoor design, furniture, space furniture, and interior design. It looks quite good, isn't it? So it has a unique design. There is a break, okay. So whenever you are creating it should not be like a similar pattern all over it should be like a breaking, okay. At least you need to give a pause for a second, for a microsecond, let's say, okay. So as you can see the way they organize, okay, like it looks like a flat design with there is some texture. Here is a flat design, okay. So see, it has a kind of unique, and there is a color harmony also. It doesn't hurt you. So save money, live better is highlighted than any other text, right? So this is how you can collect for the mood board. So this is for the home page. Now let's come to the product listing page, okay. So or let's say a product archive page. This is how it's listing. So you can get the ideas, okay. It's not that you need to follow one specific, okay. You can collect as many as for your reference. So there are multiple ways. See, here you can see in the first there is here is one whole screen, and then it divided into two different sections. Again there is one whole, okay. And there we can see 5 different products. And again, if you see on this is the regular basis, like we can see on Amazon and some other e-commerce platform, this pattern, okay. Here is a different pattern. Again, see, this is a different, and it's similar to Alibaba or something like it. It's good. It's good, right? So this is now it's for the particular single or product detail page. Whenever if you select any particular page, then you can see this kind of pages where there will be a brand, okay, product name, detail. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, so here you can see the comment sections or review sections, okay, and some other detail. There is what do you call a tab, okay, and a similar product or a related product and footer. See, and now I collected one wireframe, okay, for the single product where we can place a logo. So this is how you need to collect, okay. For now it's different sections. So about us page means here the whole page will be related with the company information. Now it's not a marketplace, okay. It's completely a different sector, okay, different page. That's why. So see, there are high fidelity markups and low fidelity markups, and some of the, okay, this might be the service, okay. It's good idea to present, okay. So this is how we can collect as many as in like images, okay. This is for the mega menu. And now finally it's for the color. So for color information, I took this one image, and from that I created what do you called one pattern. See, as you can see, this color is taken from here in this pattern, and there is another color pattern also. See, this is how I collected the color for my website's design. So basically, as I mentioned already, okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, so mood board is a collage of a image, color, font, texture, and other visual elements to get the clear ideas, okay. So and now what happen if you collect, okay, once you collect all those information, and what you can do is, so this is the color that I'm trying to follow, okay. And maybe if you like any pattern, okay, from here this is the pattern, and you can, what you can do is you can create your own low fidelity mockups. Okay, here will be icon, and this so for example, okay, if you liked this way, then you can say, okay, I will select this particular icon for the product archive or anything. Okay, so likewise you can crop out, and you can make in one different another pages to collect. Okay, this is how it will look like, or this is how I will move. Okay, and you can further discuss, and you can decide. Okay, maybe if you, for example, I selected this color. Okay, if I choose this color, maybe if you don't like, okay, if some other designer or developer didn't like, then if they wanted to change, then obviously you can discuss. Okay, I think we will, let's move to other different color that may be aligned with the particular brand, right? So this is how you can work on a mood board. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you get the idea of about the mood board. Okay, see you on the next video, and we will discuss furthermore on few more other topics. Okay, so till then, be creative, be logical, love and respects to each and every humankind, and protect the protect the mother earth. Bye bye. See you on the next video.